Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious pork tacos with black bean tortillas. In case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of pork shoulder roast, 1 pound of your choice of chorizo, 1.5 cups of maseca, 1 cup of black beans, 1 tablespoon of oil, a half of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, salt, and black pepper. So these are my ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our mixture for our masa. So in my blender I'm going to add the black beans, our 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 cup of warm water. So we're going to mix it all together until we have a smooth sauce. Alright, so once our black beans are smashed, we are ready to make our tortillas. Alright guys, so in a large glass bowl, we're going to transfer our masa or maseca, and we're going to add salt. Salt is going to be up to your liking. I'm going to use half a teaspoon. So mix it together and then slowly begin to pour your black bean mixture. Alright, so once we have poured all of our mixture, we're going to knead for at least 5 minutes. Alright, so you're going to know that your masa is ready once you're able to make a ball. And if you flatten it out, it doesn't crack. So your masa is ready, so now we're just going to roll it in one big ball, cover it, and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to begin to work on our pork. Alright guys, so for our onion, we're just going to dice it. Alright, so once we have our onion all nicely chopped, we're going to mince our garlic. So both cloves. Now we're just going to set that to the side and begin to cut our meat. Alright, so my meat, I'm just going to cut it about 1/2 inch thick. So just like that. Now just use my finger as a guidance. So one finger is 1/2 inch for me. Alright guys, so once we have our meat all nicely chopped, we are ready to cook. Alright, so in a large frying pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat. And once that heats up, we're going to throw in our meat. Okay, so it's hot, so let's throw in our meat. We're going to season it with our salt and black pepper. So mix it all around. So we're just going to cook it until our meat turns brown. Alright guys, so after a couple minutes, our meat should have browned. So now we're just going to add 1/2 cup of water. We're going to cover it and let that simmer until the whole water has evaporated. Alright guys, so after 25 minutes, all of our water should have evaporated. So this is what our meat should look like. So now we're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're going to begin to fry our meat along with our garlic and onion. Now just move it all around. Cook it together for a couple minutes. Alright, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add our chorizo. Now we're just going to break it down and cook it with our pork. So we're going to cook it together for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after 10-15 minutes, your meat should be fully cooked. So make sure that you check it. It should be very tender. So now we're just going to turn it off, cover it, and set it to the side so we can begin to work on our tortillas. Alright guys, so once you're ready to make your tortillas, you want to preheat your griddle on low-medium heat. Alright, so now we're going to get a tortilla press ready, and I'm just using a Ziploc bag. Okay, so we're going to grab our masa. Get about 1 inch of masa like that. Roll it into a small ball. Place it on your tortilla press, covering it with our plastic. And now we're going to press it for 2 seconds. Alright, so once our tortilla is pressed, we're going to remove it from the plastic. Remove it from the plastic wrap. Just like that. So now we're going to place it in our comal and cook it for 45 seconds each side. Okay, so flip it at 45 seconds and cook it for another 45. Okay, so after 45, we're going to flip it back and let that cook until it fluffs. Alright, so after it fluffs, we're going to transfer it into a little kitchen towel over here. Make sure that you cover them. And now we're just going to repeat the process until we're done making all of our tortillas. Alright guys, so once we're done making the tortillas, now we are ready to serve. So we're going to grab our tortillas. I'm gonna get 3. I'm going to grab our pork and chorizo. And for these tacos, I'm just going to add a delicious salsa de molcajete. Okay, so now I am ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Cheers. Seriously, super delicious, full of flavor. The tortillas are so soft. They're just perfect. The whole combination, super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious pork tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres